Hey guys, it's your girl Cass here, and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. If you are returning, hey, what's up my loves? So today I'm gonna be just doing a quick video. First of all, I woke up this morning and my whole tire is busted. I have no car right now. Whole tire is going flat. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do. I'll probably get my dad to change the tire because I think I have a spare in the back, so I'm gonna get him to change it. But right now, I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's not in the morning now, it's probably like 2 o'clock now, and I do have to go pick up my daughter and my niece from school, and I gotta walk because I ain't got no car. Luckily, the school is not that far. We actually stay pretty close to the school. Luckily, it's okay because I can work out. I need to work out. So I'm going to go ahead and walk to pick them up. I know they're probably going to be excited because they just get to walk when they ain't never walked before. So I know they're going to be excited. So today's pretty much a cleanup day, and I'm going to get some Christmas decor in here more. But the people are still, it's going to be a lot of in and out because the people are still working on the bathrooms. We just got the front porch done. So my Christmas door should be bomb, y'all. It should look way nicer. I do have to go to the Dollar Tree. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I probably got to use my dad's car to go to the Dollar Tree. I got a lot going on. And I need to do this today because tomorrow's a whole nother day and I got a lot to do tomorrow as well. So I need to get everything done today. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Like your girl channel, please. Like this video right now. Subscribe to my channel and get me up. Let's get on to the video. So yeah, I'm walking in these country streets and I forgot to bring a stick just in case any snake or anything. I'm almost there, y'all. I'm tired already. I need to work out. Losers! We're getting our steps in. Bro, they're so lame how happy they are just to walk home. That's wild. So y'all, I'm back from my little hike and I am going to be starting to clean up today. I'm just going to clean out the kitchen, the table, everywhere. I need to clean up this whole house and try to bring it together because right now my mind is just cluttered. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I do have some Christmas decor. I'm gonna see what I already have to bring into the house, and the rest I'm gonna have to go to the Dollar Tree because it's gonna be a budget friendly Christmas experience. Ooh, excuse me. But yes, y'all, did y'all say bless you? I hope y'all did. Bless you. Thank you. Anyways, yes, so I'm gonna probably get a ride to go to the store to get some Christmas decor to finish this up because I already don't have a whip, but we're gonna get right into it. So you guys, here is my table completed. I haven't put the trays down yet because I'm gonna do that later when it gets close, but this is what I did, y'all. Little razzle dazzle. Yeah, y'all let me know if y'all like it. Of course, I'm gonna have the chargers here with plates and cups and everything else, but just the centerpiece. I think it came out cute for what I had. Everything was from the Dollar Tree, so All this, even the potpourri, the ribbons. This is 2 trees that I put together and tied with the garland. And then little dollar store bulbs and what have you. But yes, there you have it. Let me know what you think about my centerpiece. So y'all, I do have this so y'all, I did get from Amazon these pillow covers, and I'm gonna stuff it, put it on the couch. It's like this, and they're LED. Whoop. They came 4. I got it for $8. Yeah. And they came with little LED lights. Now, it comes with batteries. Supposed to put it inside. Now I'm gonna stuff this with some fur because I do have some what's it? Buffalo fur, buffalo inserts to go in here. Because the pillows, one thing I don't like is that they didn't give you like big opening, so I can't really stuff the pillows in there. I can only stuff like fur or whatever, stuffing. So I'm gonna do that. Now my daughter was saying like, oh, it's a fire hazard. It might be a fire hazard. So, but I'm gonna set it up anyways to see. I'm not gonna leave it on. Probably just when Christmas comes, kind of like turn it on for that night, kind of like watch it or whatever. We'll see. So y'all, this is about the biggest fire hazard for real, but it's cute just for, you know, a couple seconds, take a picture type of thing. Not to leave on all night or all day at all, but it's cute though. Or I thought the lights were going to be outside the pillow, but they ended up being this. So, but it's still cute, y'all. So this is how the front door came out, y'all. Simple, cute, straight to the point. These do light up. I have to get an extension cord, but the flowers do light up. I got them from Walmart. They were on 25% extra off, so I got them for like $25 at Walmart. They're originally like $35. I have this mat from last year. Got the wreath from Goodwill, $3.99, and yep, there you have it. Anyways, you guys, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy holidays.